are the stewards of God's creation.
Nature is the most divine of God around us. It is considered an integral part of mankind. Nature has bestowed us with water, air, plants, and much more to make us survive on this planet. Nature provides beauty all around. It's the nature that makes the surroundings attractive and worthy to live in. Human life is possible because of nature and its various boons.
But what is it now?
Ang tindi ng polusyon sa magkakaibang bahagi ng Manila Bay.
Management Bureau o EMB, aabot ng mahigit 500 ang open dump sites sa buong bansa. Ayon pa sa report, nasa mahigit 80 sanitary landfill lang ang napakikinabangan sa kasalukuyan.
Ang kabundukan namin is magagandang paraiso kung titingnan natin. Pero ngayon makikita natin mga malalaking disyerto na.
Our home is dying. Do you know who did this? Us! As a human being, it is our duties and responsibilities to conserve and protect our mother nature.
Volunteer for the cleanups in your community. Plant a tree. Trees provide food and clean oxygen. They help us save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. Conserve the water. We should also follow the 7 R's, which are rethink, refuse, reuse, reduce, recycle, repurpose, rot.
Let us save Mother Earth. Let us save human lives.
Nature is not a place to visit. It is a home. If we want our planet to stay longer, we should do and make an action.